like the old money, rich girl sort of vibe that we're after this year, and one that's going to make life so easy when it comes to layering. It is giving boss woman, like you know what you're doing. I think I'm a bit of a pro now, so I'm going to risk it, and I think it's going to look so good. I've actually already tried her on, and let me just tell you, when I show you it on, you will freak. Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I have a very exciting BOOHOO try on haul for you today, and we actually have some ski wear in this video as well because BOOHOO have got some partners on their website, and I think this is actually from one of their partner brands. So I can't wait to show you everything that I've got in today's video, and without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the Borg Knit Oversized Jumper, Skirt and Scarf 3-piece set. I picked this one up in a size small and it was £36.22. So this one you will see a lot better when it's on because there's 3 pieces all hiding under this, and it looks the most beautiful outfit. What I love about it is it's so effortless and it is very versatile as well. So you can like mix and match all 3 items, or pairing them together creates the most effortless chic look. I love the colour, you're never going to get bored of it, and it is a very elegant, classy colour. So I can't wait to show you what it looks like on. Without further ado, let's try it. Okay, so here is the 3-piece set on, and sorry, but how gorgeous is this? Like, for £40 for the whole set, it's a no-brainer. It's definitely giving like the old money, rich girl sort of vibe that we're after this year. And both pieces feel of really good quality. They're definitely keeping me warm as well, so super practical at this time of year in the colder wintry months. But when you still want to sort of dress up and feel fab, this one is making me feel $1 million. The fit is perfect, it's very flattering on as well. The only slight downside to this set is the material is slightly see-through. I've just paired some nude underwear underneath, and I mean, that's absolutely fine, you can't see it at all. But otherwise, this set, incredible. For my next piece, I picked out the Petite Fine Knit Roll Neck Jumper. I got this in a size small and it was £11. So an absolute steal for this one. You will need to be quick because these are going to sell out. This is a staple for the wardrobe and one that's going to make life so easy when it comes to layering. Even this is just like a base layer and then like a big coat on top. It's going to look very classic. You're never going to get bored of it because of the colour. It does say cream on the website. However, to me, this one is more like a white, but I really like this and I can't wait to try it on with a pair of jeans. Okay, so here is the fine knit on, and I've just paired it with some jeans at the moment. It looks great. So you can just tell how easy this one is going to be to style. The only downside to this one is it is a little bit see-through, even more so than the outfit we've just tried on, but that could just be down to like how thin this one is compared to that one. And even so, it still looks fab. It's going to be a great piece for layering. I really like when like a roll neck comes out the top of either a coat or a big chunky knit. It just adds depth to an outfit. But it's very flattering on its own, it's super figure hugging, and I mean, for the price tag, it's an absolute no-brainer for me. For my next item, I'm going to show you what I mean by layering because I picked out the check oversized wool look coat. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £47, which is a really good price for this coat. It's in a really good quality material and I think it looks very premium as well. This one, I love the pattern that it's in. I think it's super timeless. I love the colours because you're never going to get bored of them. And it's in colours that go with everything. So you can pair this coat with anything in your wardrobe and it's always just going to upgrade its look a little bit. Also, the fact that it's in this texture just adds so much to an outfit. So let's try it on and see what we think. Here is the coat on, and as you can see, I've just left the fine knit on underneath, and I think that makes this outfit so eye-catching. This coat is just incredible. It's super sophisticated. It is giving boss woman, like you know what you're doing. And I just think it makes for a really gorgeous outfit. I love the fact that it actually adds to an outfit as well, and it doesn't take away from the look, because sometimes you don't always want to pair coats with it just because it doesn't either go with your outfit or it takes away that aesthetic you're going for. This one actually adds to it and brings it to life. I would say to size up in the coat though. I've just gone with my normal size, and it's slightly tighter than I would like on the arms and things. But otherwise, I really love this look, and I think it's such a cute little coat. Okay, so I'm so excited for this next piece because I did actually mention it at the start of the video. I picked out the Marisol 2 DLX waterproof ski trousers. I got these in a size small and they were £95, but just give me a moment because I also picked up the Gainer DLX ski jacket. I also got this in a size small and it was £158, but this outfit together, let me tell you, you are going to look the best on the slopes. And it was another great price because they did have a sale on, so I would also be quick for this particular piece. This one is actually part of their partner brands, so it's not a BOHOO item. I love this. I think the colour's beautiful. I've always wanted a white ski outfit, but people have always told me to sort of stay clear of them, just because if you fall over, they get dirty, they're hard to clean. However, I think I'm a bit of a pro now. So I'm going to risk it, and I think it's going to look so good on the slope. So let's try it on and see what we think when it's on. Okay, so here is the set on, and I will do the jacket up, but I just wanted to talk to you about these because you can actually remove these and wear the trousers just on their own. I personally really like the style of these, and I just think that makes it feel so much more comfortable on. But let me do the jacket up and then I'll talk a bit more about the outfit. I just don't want the noise to affect what you can hear. So there's the jacket done up, and both pieces fit so nicely. I just went with my normal size in both items, and I would recommend you guys doing the same. I'm 5'7" for reference as well, and they come to a really nice length on the leg. They do have the covers as well, so the snow can't get up into your trousers, which I just think is essential because I wasn't sure when ordering a ski outfit on BOHOO what the quality and sort of outfit was going to be like. And this one feels so premium. They've really thought of everything and included all like the major components that you need in a ski outfit. I love that they've added the thumb holes as well. And I mean, it's so aesthetic, so practical, and I can't wait to get on the slopes now. Okay, so we've now reached the final outfit, and there's a little bit of a story with this one because I'll pop on screen now what was meant to arrive, and this is actually what arrived. So I don't know what this is. It is obviously a BOHOO piece. It's the Pinstripe wide leg jumpsuit, and I mean, it's quite cute, but it's not what I ordered. So I am going to show you one of my Pretty Little Thing outfits that I am absolutely obsessed with. This is sort of like a bonus outfit, but just before I show you, I wanted to remind you, if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and you can unsubscribe at any point, but it really does help me get this content out there for you. So don't forget to hit that before you leave. And here is the Pretty Little Thing black soft textured rib knit mini dress. I got this one in a size small, and this one was £18 in the sale. I've actually already tried her on, and let me just tell you, when I show you it on, you will freak because she is so aesthetic, very flattering, and I love the fact that it is just plain black, because then you can pair your accessories to sort of make it a bit more exciting and fun. So I can't wait to show you this one on. I am loving that knit texture detail though as well. So yeah, let's try her straight on. Okay, so here she is on, and I mean, just look at her, but wait until you see the boots. These are also pretty little thing, and I think completely make this outfit. It's so aesthetic together, very flattering. It's giving a bit of sexiness, but also like date night vibes, keeping it classy. The dress fits amazingly. I went with my normal size, and I would recommend you guys doing the same. If you are stuck between 2 sizes, you can always go with the smaller size, because I mean, I could definitely have sized down in this, but I do really like the fit of this size. Loving the length, it's not too short, not too long, and because it is in the jumper dress material, it's not going to blow up at all, and it is very practical. It's keeping me warm. I love the length of the sleeves and everything. So aesthetic. I am obsessed with this outfit. Couldn't recommend it enough. Just look at her. So that is it. That does conclude my Boohoo / Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I really hope you've liked this video. Thank you all so much for watching and with all your support on my channel. Also, we have got a Valentine's Day giveaway going, so make sure you check out my shorts to find out how to enter. But thank you all so much, and I will see you next video.